Make a great choice today with the 2023 Defender. If you are looking for a serious, all-around utility vehicle with reliability and style, then the Land Rover Defender is for you. This is the iconoclastic exploration vehicle. The full-time four-wheel drive, off-road British-made Defender is one vehicle that will get you in and out of some of the trickiest spots nature has to offer. The Defender has outstanding four-wheel agility and improved riding comfort too, and is priced below $60,000. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, four-wheel drive, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.